RTX 3070 and 3070 Ti dominate PUBG with these graphic tweaks. The Nvidia RTX 3070 and 3070 Ti are strong graphic cards that can handle older titles like PUBG at higher resolutions without causing serious frame rate difficulties. These GPUs have been superseded by the more powerful RTX 40 series alternatives, which provide superior rasterization and ray tracing performance. However, Ampere-based cards continue to provide owing to their power. Competitive players must fine-tune their graphical settings for a high frame rate experience. When the maximum settings are used, the game may become rather demanding. In this video, Gadinsider lists the optimal settings combination for the 3070 and 3070 Ti for the greatest competitive shooting experience. PUBG graphic settings for Nvidia RTX 3070. The RTX 3070 was originally released as a 1440p gaming graphics card. However, it can easily handle most games at 4K resolution without breaking a sweat. In addition, this is especially pertinent to older games like PUBG. The increased resolution enables you to see attackers more quickly while maintaining excellent gameplay. Nevertheless, 4K TVs can be expensive. If gamers have a QHD panel, Gadinsider recommends remaining with this resolution. The optimal configuration for a high frame rate competitive experience in PUBG is as follows. For basic, language setting, English, highlights auto capture, disable, display mode, borderless, resolution 3840 by 2160, lobby FPS cap 60 frames per second, in-game FPS cap, custom, maximum FPS 300, brightness 50, universal brightness for all maps enabled. For advanced, render scale 100, FPP camera FOV 103, overall graphics quality custom, anti-aliasing low, post-processing very low, shadows very low, textures high, effects very low, foliage very low, view distance high, sharpen disable, V-Sync disable, motion blur disable, DirectX version, DirectX 11 enhanced. PUBG graphic settings for Nvidia RTX 3070 Ti. The Nvidia RTX 3070 Ti has marginally better rendering performance than its non-Ti brother. The graphics card is also an excellent choice for 4K gaming, and it can run PUBG at even higher frame rates with this resolution enabled. Gadinsider suggests using a similar set of settings for this GPU. The combination of low and high settings guarantees that PUBG looks visually attractive while maintaining high frame rates. The optimum GPU mix is as follows. For basic settings, language settings, English, highlights auto capture, disable, display mode, borderless, resolution 2560 by 1440, lobby FPS cap 60 frames per second, in-game FPS cap, custom, maximum FPS 300, brightness 50, universal brightness for all maps enabled. For advanced, render scale 100, FPP camera FOV 103, overall graphics quality custom, anti-aliasing low, post-processing low, shadows low, textures high, effects low, foliage low, view distance high, sharpen disable, V-Sync disable, motion blur disable, DirectX version, DirectX 11 enhanced. Both the RTX 3070 and 3070 Ti can still play the latest video games without any serious concerns. With the given settings, you may anticipate strong frame rates in PUBG at resolutions up to 4K. Competitors who want even better FPS can decrease to 1440p or 1080p.